It's the Giants! Again. Who the fuck schedules this shit? So, Cowboys fans, I don't know about you, but that was a pretty uneventful offseason. Nothing happened. Not a single thing. No huge signings, no bomb draft picks. Yep. Pretty normal. Boring. Been more or less out of the headlines. Oh, okay, except for Zeke. Spoiler alert for anyone who hasn't been paying attention, Zeke did nothing wrong. Jealous girlfriend wanted a boob job, asked her friend to lie for her, and the NFL has been setting their own trap ever since. They are about to get a lot of egg on their face over this. And that's bad news for the Smurf squad, considering that, yes, week 1, he's probably playing. While we're on the subject of old, tired teams with a turnover machine as a quarterback, who are going to beat the ever-loving shit out of week 1, how about them Giants, huh? Year 2 of the Macadoody era.
If they lay me off either, because I told Bill that if they move my desk one more time, then I'm quit.
A year like 1,000 for Peyton's retarded little brother. And good news, Cowboys fans. Simple Elisha looks up to his regular form, if his preseason performance is anything to go off of. You know he hasn't thrown a touchdown yet, right? I mean, something that even most backup quarterbacks on most teams have done. That's not important. It's just a preseason, right? Yeah, no, totally. Did you learn how to throw to the guys in the blue shirts yet? I know you have the football IQ of a crayon taster, but come on, we ain't getting any younger and you ain't getting any more accurate. And while the Giants' offense usually winds up stranded past the 50-yard line, on our side, he who shall not be named will be eating the ball and running the clock. Or is it running the ball and eating? Oh, fuck it. Cowboys fans, I'm going to be honest with you. I know that the lamestream media seems to think that these fucking clowns will accomplish anything this year, but can we just be real for a moment? Defensively, you might be able to give the Giants a little bit of credit, but that credit dies the second we go on the other side of the field. The Giants don't have a running game. They don't have an offensive line. They barely have a quarterback anymore. Their special teams is a fucking joke. This is not a team that is going to be able to score a whole hell of a lot of points. I mean, I'm talking about bad. This offensive line is bad. This running game is bad. And Eli Manning is getting dangerously close to being bad. So, Cowboys fans, I understand it's a rivalry game and everybody's supposed to be feeling kind of, but I'm not. I'm looking at this team, I'm looking at this Giants team, and I am probably going to wind up underestimating them. I can't see how they beat us. We are clearly better than them on every front. And so, with the Dak attack, with Zeke can destroy, who will be playing week 1, with our team pretty much still improving, still getting better, and the Giants taking step after step back, I can say with all certainty the Giants actually kind of suck now as a team. They'll be lucky to make 9-7 this year, if anything. Maybe 8-8, but this team can't score points. And until they show me they can score points, I'm not going to take them as seriously as I would a team that can. And then maybe these hacks can stop pretending to be our rivals and go play grab ass with the Eagles in the basement. Like what's normal. But yeah, we're going to win.